Where are you?
At the dentist.
At the dentist?
Yeah.
So what are you doing at the dentist?
You're cleaning my teeth.
Look at the camera. Why are you looking at me? So you're here to clean your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we're at the dentist for her appointment. She's cleaning her teeth today. She came here last week with her dad because her teeth was hurting. She was bleeding from her teeth. Like whenever we brush her teeth, she'll be bleeding. So we weren't sure what the problem is. So we had to bring her to the dentist last week, and then we found out that she was actually, her premolar and molar were actually coming out, and it's too early. She's just 4. Okay, but for some reason it's coming out now, and that's why she's always bleeding whenever we're brushing her teeth. So we kind of try to be very gentle right now when brushing her teeth. And I mean, like this morning when I brushed her, I didn't bleed because I was very gentle with it. So yeah, when we came in last week, they said they should come back today for her cleaning, to come clean her teeth. So that is why we're here today, right, Mama?
Yeah.
So after cleaning her teeth, I'm going to go drop her at the daycare. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys when they start the cleaning. Okay,
are we going to the daycare today?
Yes, so after cleaning your teeth, I'm going to drop you at the daycare. Okay, you want to go to the daycare?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
So she's not been to the daycare since last 2 weeks. Last week the daycare was closed, so she's been home all week. So she's missing her friends and her teacher. So she's so happy to go back to the daycare. Don't worry, I'll take you to the daycare today. Okay?
Yay.
Guys, I'm feeling so sick. I've been sick since last week. Like, I've been so sick.
Yeah,
Oh my god. Yeah, I've been coughing. I've been having my nose have been blocked. Like, I've not been able to breathe well. It's just been a lot, but I'm getting better now. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys when they're washing their teeth. Okay?
When you were here last week,
Yeah.
how many teeth do you have? Do you
I wasn't here with her, so I don't know. I hope she came with her dad.
Well, I'm gonna brush them. First, we'll count them and see how many are there. Do you have any concerns with her teeth at all?
No, hers?
Yes.
No, they said because it was bleeding whenever we brushed it, and they said it's because her molars and premolar is coming out.
Okay.
So I'm fine now.
Okay.
Yeah. But isn't it too early? Isn't it too early for her molars to be coming out? She's just 4.
If it's her permanent molars, yeah, she's ahead of the game for sure. Usually they come in around 6.
Oh, okay.
Was she early with her primary teeth? With her
I'm sorry, I can't remember.
Okay. No
I can't keep track.
Yeah. You follow the chair then. Good job. I'm gonna have you. Can you push with your feet and get your head up on my pillow here? I'll help you. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. First, we'll count them just to see how many we have. Sunshine, feel go ahead and tip your chin up toward the ceiling for me. That'll help keep it right like that. Good. How are you open? Perfect. So let's see, up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's just going to drink up the water. A little bit of water here. And then close your lips on the straw. Give the straw a big kiss. And then close your lips all the way.
Close your mouth.
And then close your lips. Give the straw a big kiss. Good. And open. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to brush them now. Here I can wear a finger like a ring, and then the toothbrush makes a lot of noise. Spin around and tickle. It's just going to tickle your teeth, okay?
Okay.
I'll show you right here in the front one. It just makes a lot of noise. It's going to just tickle. Get your teeth nice and clean and shiny. Good feels just like that. So let me slide to the back. Good job. You're doing great. Close again, big kiss. Perfect. And open. Good. The bottom or the inside of it. Open for me and close. Tickle. Anything hurt where I was pressing? Just ticklish? Just tickle? Yeah, good. Okay, so let me sit you up here. Two more things. Dr. G's going to come in and take a look, and then I'm going to brush vitamins on your teeth. There we go.
Okay.
So what flavor vitamins would you like? I have mint, bubblegum, or watermelon.
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum, okay.
Let's take a look here, kiddo. Mom, any questions or concerns?
No.
Good. All right, straighten your head out here. Perfect. Think we have any princess teeth in there? Yeah. Who's your favorite princess?
Sophia?
I.
Sophia? Is she Sophia?
Yeah, Sophia.
Sophia, yeah. All right. Open real big. Bite together. Good. Open real big. Good job. My daughters are obsessed with all the princesses.
Princess, right?
Oh, man. All right. Looks great, buddy. We're going to get some vitamins on those teeth. She looks good, though. She looks good. No cavities or anything like that. Way to go.
Shake.
Give me 5.
Shake. High five.
Give me a high five. There we go. All right. You guys have a good one, okay?
Okay. So sorry. I know I said I didn't have any questions. So she's still having her ears stepping in her 2 days ago. So we're thinking if it's because of the teeth. I don't know.
You said her ears are bothering her?
Yeah, kind
Yeah.
of. It comes and goes. So I don't know if it's because of the teeth coming out or.
It could be an ear. Does it hurt when she pulls on her ears?
Not really. It just comes and goes. Like since today, she've not complained, but
Yeah.
yesterday morning she did. Day before yesterday night she did. Just once in a while, she'd be like,
Yeah.
"Oh, my ear is paining me."
Have you been to your primary yet? To her
No.
pediatrician? I would go to the pediatrician and have them look. I'm not.
Okay.
Teeth-wise, she looks great,
Okay.
and it would be early for her to be getting her 6 molars in.
Okay.
But I mean, never say never.
Okay.
But I would have the pediatrician take a look and make sure it's nothing.
Okay.
That it's not an ear infection or something like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Because usually, I mean, they may have a little bit of discomfort, but it's more like in the mouth, not so much in the ear
Okay.
when it's when their teeth are erupting into place.
Okay.
There are other things that can cause your whole ear
Your ear
pain and
thing.
all that and joint pain, but she's having any kind of like a joint issue, but her opening and closing, she feels fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
So guys, they are done washing her teeth or cleaning her teeth, and yeah, I'm about to take her to the daycare. I mean, we show them your teeth. Open your teeth. So show them what you got. They gave us some things at the dentist. Show them what the doctor gave you.
Yes.
So what is in the bag?
The toothbrush and toothpaste and the flour.
Yeah, so they have the toothbrush, toothpaste, and flush. That's what they gave her today. And then she picked 2 toys, right?
Yeah,
I'm not sure what these toys are. What is that one? Do you know?
You know, these are balls.
Balls?
Mommy, just one ball here.
One ball?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the second one? There's the second thing they gave you. Where is it?
This.
No, where is the second one? The one that looks like a puzzle.
This.
Yeah, show them. So
These
this one
are-
is a puzzle. Let's see. So she got this. This is like a game or a puzzle. You kind of arrange it. So yeah, these are the things she got from the dentist. And we had to book like her next appointment, which is in 6 months, and that's next year February, I think. So yeah, now I'm taking her to the daycare, and I don't know what next I'm going to do. I need to get home and sleep because, just like I said, I'm very sick, guys. I don't know. I'm not breathing well right now. I just know I need to go home and maybe sleep for another 1 hour and get to eat something. Then I'm probably going to maybe film a video, a clothing haul video. I'm not sure right now, but I'm going to show you guys whatever I do for the rest of the day. Okay, so yeah, Mimi, say bye.
Bye.
See you guys.
See you guys.
So yeah,